Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. Hopes you have enjoyed the Eid holidays and summer vacation as well. And now you are ready for the online classes again. And your family is also in very good health. Now we are going to start exercise 2.5. 2.5, we start exercise 2.5, and today we are going to do question number 12, 13 and 14. Exercise 2.5, we have completed the remaining part, previous part in previous classes till question number 11, and today we are going to start question number 12, 13 and 14. So first we see what is in question number 1 and remaining question. Evaluate each of the polynomial for their value indicated. It's a recap as well. The value is given that p of x is here, p of 2. Instead of x, we will put the value 2 and then solve the question. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 all are on base this. Now we are moving to question number 11, that determine whether the second polynomial is a factor of the first polynomial without dividing. That we are not going to divide it. We will use the factor theorem and we find out the value like x plus 1 and x raised to power 18 minus 1. This is the first polynomial and this is the second polynomial. What we have to determine whether the second polynomial is the factor of the first polynomial. This is first polynomial and this is the second polynomial. Whether it's the factor of first polynomial or not. So what we do, we take x equals to minus 1. Here x is x plus 1 and then x equals to minus 1. Wherever the value is x, we will put the value that's minus 1. So with the same method, we are going to do the remaining questions, that is question number 12, 13 and 14. So we will write down question number 12 and start exercise from question number 12. Exercise 2.3, 2.5, question number 12. Now what is question number 12? First we write down the question number 12. That is three x cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus 2. This is the first polynomial and the second polynomial is x plus 1. From here x is equals to minus 1. Here x is positive 1. Other side of equality it will be minus 1. Instead of x, we replace x with minus 1 and we get whether it's a factor of the first polynomial or not. So we write down the question again, 3x cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus 2. So instead of x, we will write down its value, that is minus 1. 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 7 minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 8 minus 1 plus 2. Next step, 3 into minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Then minus 7 into minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Then minus 8 into minus 1 plus 2. So what we get here, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So it will be minus 3. Then minus minus, it will be plus, then minus 7. Then minus minus, it will be plus 8 and last is plus 2. Next step, what we are going to do, minus 7 minus 8 will be minus 10 plus 8 plus 2 will be plus 10. So minus 10 plus 10 cancel each other and we get the value 0. So what can we say here, that when we get 0, we can say that p of minus 1 equals to 0. P of minus 1 equals to 0, and we can say that factor theorem x plus 1 is the factor of, what is the first polynomial? This one, 3x cubed minus 7x squared minus 8x plus 2. So I think this question is clear to you people. Now we are going to move question number 13. Firstly, what is question number 13? Question number 13 is here. See the question number 13 from the book, that is 5x raised to power 8 minus 2x raised to power 5 plus 3x raised to power 3 plus 6x plus 2, and other factor is x plus 1. I will write down the question and explain with you people. 5x raised to power 8 minus 2x raised to power 5 plus 3x raised to power cube plus 6x plus 2. Here this is the first polynomial and this is the second polynomial. First polynomial and this is the second polynomial. So from the second polynomial we find out that whether it's a factor of a first polynomial or not without division. We are using the factor theorem. From factor theorem we find the value of x, that is equal to minus 1. When x plus 1, when we take the value of x, it will be minus 1. So now we are going to put the values in this question, that is 5x8 minus 2x5 plus 3x cube plus 6x plus 2. So what we are going to do here, 5x instead of x minus 1 raised to power 8 minus 2x minus 1 raised to power 5 plus 3x minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 6 minus 1 plus 2. Now minus 1 into 8, whenever the power is you can say even, it will be positive. Means if we multiply it, whenever the power is positive, it's an even number, we will get plus 1. So it will be 5, and power is odd number, we will get the minus 1. So it will be minus minus plus 2. Again power is here a odd number, so we can say that it will be minus plus minus and minus 3, then plus minus minus 6 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is here 7, minus minus, it will be minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 plus 2. So what we are going to do here, both of them have a positive sign, 7 and 2, it will be 9 minus 9, which is equals to 0. Minus 9 plus 9 cancel each other and we get the value 0. Hence we can say that whenever p of x is 0, we can say that x plus 1 is the factor of 5x8 minus 2x5 plus 3x cube plus 6x plus 2. Hopes you understand the question. Question number 12 and 13 we have done here, and your homework is question number 12 and 13 is done. 14 and 15. So you will write down here 14 and 15 is your homework. Please do the practice of these questions at least twice. so you can understand this. If you have any query, you can inbox me.